Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I finally got a little bit of focus, and what you will find here will be tech how-to videos and vlogging of my tech and language learning. The first how-to series will be about the YouTube studios as it is in 2020, and I will also start to vlog my road to understanding and learning the Yoruba language in the near future. You're all welcome to follow me and keep me on track with my learning goals. And if you're on a similar journey, let me know and we may just build a community of support and motivation. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you would like to be notified when I upload new content, ring that bell.